That's how you figure out if you're losing weight or you're gaining weight. Because I'll tell you this right now. When you go through this fat loss journey, right? When you go through this fat loss journey, you're going to need to monitor what the fuck you're doing. All right? What do I mean by that? Every week, I would weigh myself, I'll take pictures, and I'll take measurements. All right? So at some point, you're going to hit a plateau. And if you're not tracking your calories, guess what, dummy? You're not going to know where the fuck you are. If you should decrease calories, increase calories, maybe take a refeed, you're not going to know what the fuck to do. But if you're tracking all the calories that you're taking in, well, now you know, okay, well, I haven't lost weight in about a week and a half. Cool. I know what I'm going to do now. I'm going to subtract 100 to 200 calories from what I'm currently consuming. And that's easy. That's like maybe a fucking rice cake. 2 rice cakes. Cut that out. Bam. Now you're going to continue that fat loss. But you're not going to be able to enjoy that ability to measure what the hell's going on if you don't track it. Okay? You need to track it, guys. This literally is the foundation of everything here when it comes to fat loss. If you're not tracking what you're doing, what the fuck are you doing? That's really what it comes down to. If you're not tracking your calories, guys, that's the equivalent to trying to drive somewhere you've never been before without a GPS. You might get to your goal. You might not get to your goal. You may get robbed on the way. Your car might break down. You might fucking die. Who knows? But if you had a GPS, you would have got there sooner. You would have got there more efficient. And more importantly, you would have got there with more gas and not feeling like shit and not discouraged. Okay? That's why you track your calories. What gets measured gets fucking managed.